Jason Rude here. We're at our listing here in Urbandale. It's an amazing split foyer that has over 1,800 finished square feet, 2-stall attached garage. So let's check it out. All right, as you enter in, you're immediately met with this amazing family room here. You got natural hardwood floors here, a lot of good space. And as you wrap around here, you'll find the eat-in kitchen, and then the kitchen space right over here. All of the appliances are included. What I really like about split foyers is how efficiently laid out they are. So we can progress now to the oversized deck. This is just under 5-year-old deck here. It's really good space for entertaining. As you'll see, it does back to Falarius Elementary School. One thing I want to highlight, if you're a family, get the best of both worlds here. You got the updated playground right there. This property backs up to the Walker Johnston Park. This main floor will progress to the 2 bedrooms here on the main floor. One thing I want to highlight too are the fully wood doors here. Here's the bathroom, great condition. Progress now to bedroom number 1. I want to highlight something unique about this bedroom here is that it does have washer dryer hookup as well. So it's convenient whether you're renting the basement out to somebody else, running it as an Airbnb, or if you just want it on the main floor. It's really nice to have this. We'll progress now to the primary bedroom here on the main floor. So really great space overall, and what's really clutch about this bedroom is the overall closet space. Now we'll progress now to the finished basement. So here's bedroom 1 right here. Good space, especially if you're running this as an Airbnb, or if you're a young professional, you have friends that live with you. Plenty of space. You got a good closet space right here. You got your own fireplace, which is awesome. And you can so you can have this as mixed use. This can be a bedroom, obviously, with the closet, or this can be a little area, a little living area in the basement as well. You have direct access to this patio. So super nice to have right off your bedroom. The really nice bathroom here. These are included, the washer dryer, then a really nice walk-in shower, as I've already said. Right here you have a storage room. Okay, now this is a super nice feature here. Look at this updated kitchen here in the basement. So you have 2 entry options here. You have direct access back to the home. And also, you have access to the attached garage here. So really nice option here. Here's some additional storage space. All right, one thing I really like about homeownership is having flexibility. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, 2 bathrooms, 2 laundry hookups. This gives you a lot of options. This is a great property here in Urbandale. Again, it's conveniently located. It connects to Walker Johnston Park, one of the premier parks here in central Iowa. If you have any questions, please reach out.